Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and picked up a couple of things off of Amazon to improve the e-bike. I picked up this 24 volt 500 watt controller box here, and there's really no English on this box, so I have to look it up online and see if I can find where all the wires go to. And then I picked up this neat little thing here, which is the thumb throttle, or the throttle, and it comes with an LED display that'll tell you how many volts you got left back in the batteries, and an on and off switch with a key. But both of these were had on Amazon for fairly cheap. I think the controller box was like 12 bucks, and the throttle assembly there was probably about another 12 bucks. But we're going to hook these up to an exact copy of the motor that I have on the bike and a 24 volt power source, and we're going to test it out and see if it works. Well, I figured out the wiring on this, at least the wiring that counts. This right here is to the motor, your positive and negative to the motor. This is your positive and negative to the battery, or from the battery, however you want to put it. This three-pronged one right here is the plus and minus 5 volts of power, and the sensor wire going from this throttle unit. The red and the blue here are what works the ignition key part of this, and it also pulls power up to the LED gauge. This is a charging port. This is the brake light. These are the only two that were actually labeled on here because there's a mess of different power here. And we have this, I believe this is accessories, like a bike headlight or running lights and stuff like that. I'm not even going to use this one. But now that we know all the wiring, we can wire the throttle up to it, put some power to it, and the box hopefully should not blow up. Alright, so I think I got everything I needed hooked up here. I have the motor hooked up, I have a battery coming in, 5 volt power, and sensor wire for the throttle on that. And then these two wires over here are for the voltage gauge and the key. So let's give that a try. And there we go, it came on. I got 25 volts coming from the batteries. Let's see how the throttle works here. Ooh, that was me almost dropping this motor. If I hit the throttle full right now, that motor will jump right off the table. So that works pretty good for the price that I paid for it. Shut that off. And I guess the next video I'll hook this all up to the bike and we'll take it for a ride. But until next time, build stuff and have fun.